Hey guys, Jackie Phillips here. Let's look at the single leg deadlift. So the single leg deadlift or unilateral deadlift is pretty much the exact same mechanics as our bilateral or two leg deadlift. So we're gonna set up very similarly in terms of body positioning to our weight. We're gonna use a kettlebell for this version of our deadlift, but you can also use dumbbells or other implements that you might see other people in the gym using. For now, we'll use the kettlebell. So we're gonna set up very similarly to our bilateral or two-legged deadlift. Okay, so we'll approach the weight. Before we even start, we wanna kind of check in with our body. So make sure the weight is evenly distributed through the feet, the hips are tucked, glutes are engaged, core is braced, and shoulders down and back. Now, to set up, we do want to place all of the weight into one side. So we're going to shift all the weight into our left foot to start with, and then we're just going to hinge forward, grab that weight just to start with, okay? So once the weight is in your hand, again, reset the body, make sure everything's active before you start. I like to keep my hand out to the side for balance. And then similarly to the bilateral deadlift, we're going to begin by shifting the weight into the back of the foot, the standing leg. So we'll shift the weight back as we do that. The back leg comes up as we hinge forward. Come all the way down till you feel a nice stretch, and then press out through the heel, come up, and reset. Hinge forward, slight bend to that standing leg, and up. A key thing to remember is to really keep the lats engaged. Okay, so we really want the back to hold the weight close to our body so it doesn't drift away from the body. One more time, shifting the weight into the heel, we'll hinge forward, feel a stretch, press up through the heel, come up, and squeeze, reset. And that's it.